Alright guys, today is March 29th, Thursday night, and I'm just going through the charts and I see some things here I kind of like, and I wanted to share these with you guys to see if you guys also could take advantage and have opportunities to make money as the markets go up and down. Okay, we're looking at the Dow right now here, which is a symbol DIA. And as you can see here on the chart, this is a 2-hour chart on all of them that I'm going to show here. You're going to see uh, we got a reversal indicator here, which is this marker over here, meaning that it's pretty extended on the upside. We had a pretty good upside here. And the last reversal signal we had was way back down here in the green here. And we also follow the RSI 5. So every time it goes to the top here, we look to short it, and then when it goes down here, we want to go long here. And as far as what stocks to buy to go long or short, I use these right here: UDOW to go long and SDOW to go short. And these are leverage, meaning that they move 3 times. Here I have it written down 3 times. It's kind of covered up right now, but it's a 3-time leverage. So in this case, what we're seeing here is we have that overextended here, and if we could see the price action on the 2-hour candle close below this 5-day moving average, this white line here, then it would be a good probability that it's going to continue to go down. The target probably be down here at the gap fill in this zone here, or it can go all the way down here to this trend line as well. But for now, the immediate target would be down here. Now, if it continues to go up, it's probably going to go up to this trend line up here that we have. You could see connecting from here to here. Now here, we also have a lot of resistance here. So if it does continue to go up the next few days, it could have trouble up here. But for now, if you start seeing weakness where it's starting to reverse down, this may be a good opportunity to start adding to the shorts to make money as it falls down. Again, this is SDOW. All right. So now let's go to the SPY, the S&P 500, and on this one also we have the same signal overextended. This time we want to use SPXU, which is also 3-time leverage, meaning that for every 1% it drops, you're going to make 3%. We want to use the 5-day moving average also. Let me get rid of this line here real quick. The 5-day moving average. So if you see the 2-hour candle closing below the 5-day moving average, then that would be a good signal. Here, I'll give you an example here. You have this overextended signal here on this day here, or actually this 2-hour candle, and then the next 2 hours, you could see at the end of the 2 hours, it was closing right here. So this is where you would be buying, and then you just write it down until you see the next candle here, signal that is, the reversal signal, and you get out. And also because it's a trend line, so you get out and reverse yourself. So now you go long, and you can see it closed right at this line, and then it gapped up and continued on. And this is where we're at now. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And let's go to the Qs, which is NASDAQ. I like this one here too because it's right in the resistance zone area here. You could also see the price is almost even. This is what we call a tweezer. And here you got the overextended signal. And in this case, if it closes below the 5-day moving average, we want to go with SQQQ to go short. And the target would be down in this zone here for the first target, second target, or even all the way down here if it's really bad. But just for a quick target, at least we could look for a downside down here. If it continues to move up, let's see. I mean, the next target's way up here. This is a monthly moving resistance, not moving, but resistance line for the month. So not very likely, but it's way up there. So just keep an eye on it for a reversal. And IWM, and this one here, let's go take a look at that here. And on this one here, you can see it's moving up. We got the overextended. We're near the the resistance from here. The last time it had trouble getting up, it might get price action way up here and then starts reversing. If it starts reversing, closing below the 5-day moving average on the 2-hour, go with TZA or SRTY. They both do the same thing. One, I think SRTY might be a few dollars more per share. The same thing, just lower volume. TZA has a higher volume, meaning it's easier to get in and out, and it's a few dollars cheaper. I just added that there, and you can see we're overextended here. The thing here also is the volume is getting less on here. So if you look at the Dow, you can see volume is below the average, S&P below the average, and the volume is dropping down as well. And you got these overextended markers as well. On these are actually RSI 2, and when these light up, the red meaning to go down and green means to go up, and these are showing up, so that means the trend is getting tired or pretty close to the end. Let's go to the USO. This is the one I wanted to share mostly. You can see the price action has gone up higher, and we got the overextended signal. And look at the volume, it's just dropping. And on the RSI 5, we got a divergence. So as you can see here, we did close below it, so there's still a chance to get into this trade, and we could see the target down over here at that blue line. So let's, for example, pretend it drops. It could drop down to 2%, which would be equal to 4% for us, or it could all the way down to this zone here, which is 6% on the USO. But if you go with the SCO, that would be 6%. So this is a good one. And let's go with gold. Also, gold. This one's been on the strong uptrend. As you can see, it is trading kind of sideways. So this one's gonna be hard to guess which side it's going to go. Right now it's kind of maybe bouncing, going to bounce down here, and then if it does and it trades upward, let's go with UGL, which is 2 times on the gold. And then going down to silver, same thing, we got overextended. Let's go with ZSL. The target would be down in this area here, and this is trending downward here, which is I was thinking it was a divergence, but it's price is slightly going up here, but this is going down, so you got some divergence here as well. Now the one that I'm kind of excited is this SMH. This is Semiconductors. Look at it, we got a tweezers. You see, they're like little tweezers over here. So close below this line here, or the 5, would be worth getting into, down to gap fill, and the price movement on this one could be roughly, this is 3 times, so 9%. Okay, and then lastly, the financials here, you also oversold. May try to go up to this area, but let's keep an eye on it. It's gonna if it closes below the 5-day moving average, then the next target would be down here. Okay guys, that's about it, and let's keep an eye on the markets and have fun. Take care. Bye bye.